Okay, so here is assignment 51, and this is the question we're working on today. How can we reduce sea pollution? I have uploaded for you the worksheet 1, the worksheet 2, and also the list of vocabulary, and you have the Padlet list. So the topic sentence we've already written. Number 2, match the pictures with the main point they support. So you've got the idea of that. You have to match the pictures and choose and select them carefully with the main point they support. Then read the point and read the vocabulary below that, and that together with the pictures will help you to have the right picture. Then look at the pictures and use the vocabulary that's there. Just explain the ideas more. And these ideas, the details and the examples will support that main point. Okay, you have to choose 3 points, so not the ones that I did in class, which was the single-use plastic and the microbeads. So make sure you choose 3 different points and choose 3 that you can write enough about. Don't choose one that you can only write 1 line on. You want to be able to write more ideas. You can also work in groups in this if you like, if it's easier for you to work with a partner, to get some more ideas. More details. Submit then the worksheet here, and you should altogether have 5 points. If you didn't copy the notes in class, like you should have been copying when I was writing, but if you didn't do that, you can go back to the recording and check on that part. Okay, and that's it. So the deadline is Saturday midnight. Thank you.